This is second grade Go Math lesson 1.7, and today we are going to be problem solving with tens and ones. And there's going to be word problems down this page that you see 1 through 3, and then you have charts for each one. So if we look at number 1 here, it says find a pattern to solve, and pattern is the key word right here. So, Anne is grouping 38 rocks. If I'm making a notice and wonder chart, I just mark down all the things I notice. I notice that she has 38. She's grouping 38 rocks. Next, I read she can put them into groups of 10 rocks or a single rocks. So groups of 10 or single, run out of space, rocks. Now the chart doesn't have to be pretty or anything like that. We're just using it to make sure what we notice. Then is asked, what are the different ways Anne can group the rocks? So I'm going to wonder how Anne groups the rocks. All right. So one way, we can just look at the number 38. And we've been doing this already in class. If I make the number 38 and make a tens and ones chart, I noticed that there's 3 tens and 8 ones. So she could group them. She's grouping in groups of 10. So I can group them in a group of 10. There's 3 and there's 8 left over. It says or single rock. So the group of 10 would just be like the same exact thing as this chart that I just made here. Boom. Now, as we move along here, we have to go down. And the key word that we had over here was the word pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away one of my groups of 10 and I'm going to move it over to 10 ones. I'm going to say it again. I'm going to take away a group of 10 rocks. So if I take away 10, or I take away a group of 10, instead of having 3 groups, I have one less group of 10, and now that's 2 groups of 10. Again, I'm taking away a group of 10, and I'm moving it over here to the single rocks. So I could show you that right here, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So if I take one of these, cross them out, I'm taking this, I'm just breaking it up. The number hasn't changed, there's still 38 rocks, I'm just changing how I group this. So I took away one of the 10s, now I have 2 10s, 10, 20. And then I'm just breaking that up to 10. So I'm making 10 more. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I have, if I count all these out, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I broke apart 10 and made them all into ones. Now I have 18 ones. Now guess what? If I break apart another 10, sorry, I kind of look like I broke apart that 10 already. If I break apart another 10, I'm going to add 10 more ones to this side, and I have one more 10 left. So I'm going to put 1 10. I'm not going to draw them all out again, but I'm just going to add 10 more to this side. So you see the ones are still the same. I'm still going to put an 8. I'm just increasing the amount of 10s. I was going to increase it by 1 10. So now I have 28. Now if you're looking at the pattern, the numbers are going down on this side, or decreasing. These numbers are increasing, or going up. So the final number this can go down to is 0, And then this number will go down to 38. And that is how you find a pattern to solve.